Hey guys, what is like to be a software developer in 2026 in AI era? How to be prepared to the new challenges? AI is going to steal my job. Developers is not going to be relevant in the future in the next years. These questions we're going to answer in this video and more. Stay tuned and let's get to the video. Okay, so to be a software developer in 2026, actually for me, is the same as we are in the past. Because the way I think as a software developer is not someone who write code or deliver tasks. I think a software developer as a problem solving and someone who learn quickly and understand a way to apply what he or she learns and solve problems with that knowledge actually. And I was reading the book Pragmatic Programmer, and this book was wrote a long time ago before AI, and the principles there are the same, and it's not going to change. Even with AI and with a lot of people saying buzzwords like developers are going to die or things like that. I think deeply about this point because uh, it will be necessary to have people to operate AI and to build tools and things around this new technology. Actually, I think it will be opening more opportunities to developers and engineers than in the past because of all the possibilities and things that we can create using AI actually. And I'm hopeful that with AI, our field, our industry, technology, software development will grow and probably we will be able to create so amazing things using this new technology. So I am so excited about what things that we are going to create using these new technologies, and I think you should as well. And there are some people that say, oh, it's not worth learning how to code or how to program. I discord actually because I think this exercise of learning something, uh, break your head and understand complex problem, it will make your mind muscles strong and you will be able to solve complex and bigger problems not only in technology but in your life. All right. uh, how to be prepared for the new challenges. Actually, the book talks about this point. He give a the author gives a framework on things that we should do as a software developer to be prepared, and that statements and that concepts are really good in my opinion actually because it gives a foundation on where you can build your career and your personal branding and you can build your knowledge actually. uh, I would say that I will share with you in a later video about these concepts if you want, but basically the author encourage us as software developers to learn a new language, a new programming language, to work on things outside of the project that we are working on. What else? They encourage us to read a technical book each month. So we are supposed to read 12 books throughout the year and in things that interest you the most. So by doing these things, I think you are sharp and ready to face any challenge in your career. And probably by doing that, you are able to add value to companies. Sometimes I saw some junior developers trying to enter in the market and they struggle to find an opportunity. And in the past, I also struggled on this topic actually, because we are trying to find a job or something, but we forget that companies don't want to give you a job. They want to solve a problem. They need you to add value to them. And if we use our social media, and anyway, internet and everything to add value to people, probably an opportunity will be open for us. That's the point. We need to start moving, and then the opportunities will come. I don't remember in what book I read that, but the author once says that if you want to hunt butterflies, it will be hard for you to get one. But if you have a beautiful and prepared garden, the butterflies will come to you. So that's something that I live in my life. I try to add value and be present in LinkedIn, GitHub, and the community, participating in meetups. So that way I am up to date to with the community, with new technologies and new topics, and it is really really good. Uh, some Someone may say, "Oh, it's a waste of time. Learn a new programming language if I'm not going to use it in the project of my job." But this ability to learn quickly and solve different types of problems, these connections between neurons are really good to uh, to exercise and help you in ways that you don't even think actually, because when we learn how to learn and when we learn how to learn quickly, we can learn anything. For example, if AI came, you can learn it quickly and start adding value on this new technology, and you don't need to fear AI. You are going to be able to learn and apply it and solve problems with this technology, so you are going to be relevant in the market, right? um, AI is going to steal my job? Of course not. We as software developers, self-learners, quick learners, problem solvers, probably we are going to find a way to apply AI and use this technology to solve some problem or add value with it. And may AI will steal your old job, but you are going to transform yourself and you are going to be ready to get a new job that AI may raise, right? Developers is not going to be relevant. That's a fallacious statement. Um, I think developers will be relevant. Uh, I don't know. I don't see a future where developers are not going to be relevant. Of course, we need to sharp, we need to be prepared, we need to develop ourselves and understand new technologies, learn quick and apply technologies to solve real problem and add real value to companies, to people, and we are going to be good. All right. Thank you very much.